Hello, hello. I am your host, Rabbi Zevi Weinberg, and this is Truth Moment. So there's a basic premise in Kabbalah, which basically is verified by science, and that is, in the Kabbalistic idea, is that when God desired to make the world, there was something called Machshava Hagduma Da'ach, the original thought of God, basically, because in this thought, obviously something that's sophisticated and complicated, you can't go into a factory and just expect it to create cars. Somebody has to design the whole thing from beginning to end. The more complex something is, the more it has to be designed. The human cell is more complex than a city. Imagine designing an entire city. So in one moment, God, being unlimited, designed everything that would ever come. So that means that even the words that I'm saying now was designed in the original thought of God. But, and here's the but, there are only three possibilities of, let's call it light and darkness in this world. Because either we are part of the light of God, a positive force, or we're part of the opposite of that. Now, that won't be forever. There will come a time where it says, the darkness will dissipate. Everyone and everything will be a positive force. But until that time, coming of the Mashiach, there are people inhabited by darkness. There are dark things that people do. And then there is in between, which is, let's say I'm not necessarily part of the light, but I'm not necessarily part of the darkness. So I'm eating, cholent. It's not necessarily light. It's not necessarily darkness. It's my intentions to use this food or to have a good Shabbos for God, or it's my intentions just because I like the taste. So I'm not necessarily hurting someone, but I'm not necessarily helping anyone. And so the point is that in all times, everyone and everything is either part of the light, and that's our goal, to be part of the light, or part of two types of darkness. One would be basically selfish, and the other would be cruel. And this is our goal, to make sure that we're always part of the light.